before I got to working on the distributor side of the business. I didn't get it. I really thought that distributors were just out there to make a buck. Do you value your time, time of your employees, time in general? Do you value it? The default answer I get is, of course, Arthur, like I value my time. But I've got a couple questions to go over with you to see, do you actually value your time? The first question being, what do your setups look like on your machine? If you're on a horizontal or on a vertical machining center, and you're not using a quick change system like this or this, do you really value your time? Not saying you don't, but something to think of. Regardless, if you have to do one setup a week, one setup a day, one setup a month. Okay, well, the one setup a month is a little bit long. But regardless, that time being spent on the setup of the work holding and fixturing could be spent elsewhere. If you don't value time, I mean, it makes sense. Just do whatever. If you do value time, why aren't you investing in a solution that makes it faster? Food for thought. If you hold value time to be true and you're still doing this, what are you doing? You're either lying to yourself or lying to me, but either way, you don't value time. The next would be when it comes to purchasing. Specifically, I'm looking at the area of cutting tools, work holding and fixturing and all of that. If you are looking at these as commodities, then chances are you have a whole bunch of buyers who are constantly on the phone calling around, can I get it cheaper? 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 And though I totally understand that practice, it's not valuing anyone's time in the whole supply chain, let alone the person you have on the phone going, can I get it cheaper? Their time could be better invested into other places, like building relationships and getting pricing steady and secured by working with one key partner when it comes to your cutting tool supply. Forming that partnership is an investment in your future as well as theirs. By working together in partnership, you're showing that you value each other's time. Funny enough, it just seems like a no-brainer to me. Now, I totally get it. Before I got to working on the distributor side of the business, I didn't get it. I really thought that distributors were just out there to make a buck. But having been working on the distributor side for over 5 years now, it's really all about the value you can add. Now, I'm not saying there's not distributors out there with nefarious intentions. That's not what I'm saying, because I'm sure they exist. But finding and sussing out the right partner can make the world of difference in your operations. And then the third one, which is kind of a little off topic, but still completely relevant, I promise. Stay with me here. When it comes to valuing your time, where are you investing it? If you value your time and you're not choosing to invest that time into personal or professional growth and development, then do you really value your time? Why do I ask about this one? Well, if you value your time, you're going to want to make yourself more efficient with your time. And so personal growth and professional growth and self-development make a lot of sense because you value your time and you're trying to maximize your efficiency. So that's the 3 points we covered today. 1, how are you setting up? 2, are you just chasing lowest price? 3, are you investing that time you value so much into personal growth and self-development? Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.